Who's my baby girl? Who's my baby? You my baby? What's that? What's that? Where you going? Where you going? Huh? Where you going? Oh, you found your ball. What you doing? Oh, Poops! Ah, Poops! What are you doing? Crazy! Poops! What are you doing, Poops? What you doing, buddy? Oh, I see. I see. Okay. Ugh. What the? What are you doing? What are you doing? Oh, hi. I got you. I got you. Oh, I got you. Ah, my rib. That's my rib. Why you look at my hand? What you doing? What you doing? Poops, come here, buddy. Poopers, come here. Come here, buddy. Yeah, he's like, hell no. I'm good, right? I'm good. She's just Snuggle Wuggles. Yes, she is. Oh, I got your butt. Snuggle Wuggles. You're so cute. You. Oh, you want belly rubs. Oh, you want belly rubs. He wants belly rubs. Oh, you got your belly rubs. You got your belly rubs. Oh, he's attacking me. Oh, he's attacking me. Oh, I'm gonna jump it all over me. Stop. Hi, buddy. Hi. Oh. You licked the camera. How'd you lick the camera? Whoosh. Poops. Come here. Aww. What are you going on? Nothing. I got the nubbin. I love you. You're so cute. Poops. Hi, buddy. Come here. Oh. Poops. You poop. Sir poops a lot. You gonna be Arizona poopers? Are you gonna be Arizona dog? Yeah? You gonna be Arizona dog? Yeah? You gonna be Arizona dog? Oh! What the heck? You're attacking me. Why are you attacking me? You gonna be Arizona also? You gonna be Arizona also? Yeah? What are you gonna do as an Arizona also? You don't know yet? Are you just excited? Okay, you ready? Go get it! Oh, what are you doing, Doc? Get your girl, you're so cute! Hi, Bubs! Oh, you attacking her? What are you attacking her for? Or you show me your butt so you can hide it? Oh. Gracie, fight back. You can't have him take your stuff. Why do we have 4 balls? Why? First, we lost both of these balls. Then I found them. Then we lost both of these balls. Couldn't find them. Then I find these, and then they lose those ones again, and then they lose these ones again. I'm like, what the? Really? Why you two gotta be such butts? Okay, since you're cute, I'll forgive you. Yes. Oh my God. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my God. poops. What's this? You want it, Grace? Whoosh. Catch it! Whoa! You want this one? Which one? What is she doing? To you, your ball is like Starbucks. To women, Starbucks is like their thing they only care about, and the only thing you care about is your ball. Poops. I mean, Gracie. I said poops and you just jumped up. Hi, buddy. Whoosh. Get your... I'm tired. What are you tired about? You've been sleeping all day. Get her, Doc. Get her. Get her. What are you doing? I literally can hit Dog in the face and he won't care. Like, hang on, wait, let me see that. Hey, look, Duck. Duck got it. See? Look, you want me to figure out this? See, he gets scared, but then when I hit him, he doesn't even flinch. And Gracie, she freaks out. She's like, what the? Let me show you again. Car poops. Look at this. Look at this. Like, see, he sits still. I hit him in the face. Oh, that time you flinch. Oh, wow. Wow, that time you flinch freaking butt. Oh, you want this ball, Grace? Huh? You want this ball? Go get it. Hey, you can't be chewing on your ball, Missy. You can't be chewing on your ball. You can't be chewing on your ball, Missy, so I'm going to take it away from you. That's right, this ball. Oh. Fine, you want it? Okay, where do you have to put holes in the carpet with your nails? Move on. Whoa. You back your booty up into the wall. Look how freaking blue this ball is. Can I even reach that? That's like 4 feet away. Alright. Okay. Alright. Fine. Alright, see if I can do this. Start one. Alright, I'm gonna do a roll and I'm gonna grab her ball. Ready? 1, 2, 3. That's gonna look really weird on camera. Okay, let me switch my hands so I can throw. I hit her in the back of the head. That's funny. I gotta pee. I really gotta pee.